Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the app, update Snapchat and grant camera permissions so the feature can work. Once done, open Snapchat and point at your subject. Make sure the rear camera is active if you want depth. Next, tap the screen where your subject is to trigger Focus Assist. This initial tap primes the lens for depth detection and lets Snapchat surface the focus mode among the camera modes so you can proceed to the next step without delays. Once you see the focus mode, tap it to activate. The app analyzes depth and applies a background blur while keeping your subject sharp. If the blur looks weak, move closer or use pinch to zoom to increase subject separation, because focus depends on distance and contrast. Make sure there's clear foreground/background difference. Low light or clutter limits detection. Also, avoid fast motion. Once the lock icon appears, the depth map is computed, and the portrait effect stabilized. To finish, tap to take a picture or hold to record video while focus is active. Review the blurred background and use Snapchat's edit sliders to fine-tune the effect before saving. Once satisfied, save to memories or camera roll and share. If focus doesn't engage, make sure camera permissions are on, restart the app, switch between front and rear cameras, and update Snapchat. These steps fix the common depth detection issues. If still broken, reboot your device to clear sensor locks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.